Please give us a brief introduction.
Sir, my name is Bimal Pradhan. I am from Kandhamal district. I have completed my MSc in Forest Product and Utilization from OUAT in 2019. My hobby includes gardening and cooking, and my achievements includes NCC B certificate.
Okay. So, tell me what is your name?
Sir, my name is Bimal Pradhan.
Okay. You remember your roll number for this exam?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
301080.
Okay. Fine. Three zero one zero eight zero.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this interview, basically we will concentrate on your optional subjects.
Yes, sir.
So you have taken agriculture and forestry.
Yes, sir.
So गोटे कथा कौन तो हमारा पॉपुलेशन आस्ते आस्ते बढ़ुची
Okay,
ठीक
sir.
अछि हमर जो कल्टीवेबल लैंड सी इधर स्टैग्नेंट हो अछि किबा कमुची केते
Okay, sir.
एरिएबल तेणु पॉपुलेशन तो बढ़ियो लैंड बढ़ियो तो सी जगह रे एज ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एबे नुवा टेक्नोलॉजी सब कोन बाहर छी ता विषय में अपडेट बंद आपण बुझता ना कोन
सर बुझली सर मोर फॉरेस्ट एमएससी
ओके फॉरेस्ट बट अपना एग्रीकल्चर भी नहीं चलती
आज्ञा सर
तो मु हिंट दे दउ छी अपना हाइड्रोपोनिक्स टेक्नोलॉजी
यस सर
हां
यस
एंड से हिसाब रे एक्वापोनिक्स टेक्नोलॉजी
यस सर
तो सीतारी विषय कहबे सॉइललेस फार्मिंग जोटी सॉइल दरकार नहीं सॉइल न थाई कि आपण फार्मिंग करिवे
सर इन हाइड्रोपोनिक फार्मिंग रे साधारणतः गछ गुड़ाक पानी रे ही लगा जाए ट्यूब सिस्टम करा जाय थाए सेथरे पानी गोटे फ्लो माने कंटिन्यूअस फ्लो होता है पाइप मझरे सेथरे किछि स्थान गुड़ाक छोट छोट कणा करी सेथरे हमरो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ वेजिटेबल गुड़ाक सब लगा जाय थाए आ से पानी देकी ही न्यूट्रिएंट गुड़ाक फर्टिलाइजर जहाँ सब रिक्वायरमेंट से पानी रे ही तार जति की रेशियो अछि से अनुसार दिया जाय था सर
अच्छा ओके सो फॉरेस्ट्री का आपनकर पेरेंट सब्जेक्ट तो सेटा भी आपन मेन ऑप्शनल नो
यस सर
ओके सो let us start then with the various methods, natural and artificial methods of forest regeneration. मतलब के ता विषय रे कोन
सर इन नेचुरल रिजर्वेशन सर ओडिया रे कहबी इंग्लिश
ओके
सर नेचुरल आमर प्राकृतिक रिजर्वेशन रे साधारणतः गछ गुड़िक निज नेचर ही से गुड़ा ग्रो करते सर किंतु आर्टिफिशियल रिजर्वेशन रे से गुड़ाक मनुष्य द्वारा लगा जाय थाए
ओके
आउ सर अच्छी आर्टिफिशियल रिजनरेशन असिस्टेड बाय दी असिस्टेड आर्टिफिशियल रिजनरेशन सर एथिरे सॉरी सर ए विषय ठीक से धारणा नहीं
हाँ सेटा टिके पढ़ी देबे सेटा
सर
आपनकर जेहेतु ऑप्शनल टा ओके तो सेटा टिके आपन को प्रॉपर्ली देखिया पे पड़ो। अच्छा, देन let us come to your different silvicultural systems. मतलब कौन तो clear felling और croppice system पे कौन difference? और तार कुछ और example दियो।
So in clear felling system, tree of a particular area clear felled in a single operation. Not a single tree is left, but in case of copy system, the tree after cutting, the upper lower stem portion is left, from where small shoots are come out, and these shoots grow into a tree. This system is known as copy system.
अच्छा, you know what is agroforestry?
Yes, sir. Agroforestry is a sustainable land management system in which both agriculture crop, forestry crop and livestock animal are kept in a single area in order to get more profit.
Okay.
And sustainable management.
Okay. अच्छा। Okay. So, how many? What are the major forest divisions that you know? को प्रकार में forest को divide करा है?
Yes, sir. There are 3 type of forest division. Territorial, wildlife, and Kendall.
Okay. सेटा आपण गवर्नमेंट ऑफ ओडिसा रे एटा कहले तो ठीक अछि नै सेटा मु पचोनी मु पचोची कि फॉरेस्ट टाइप्स like in the champion and safe classification.
Yes.
Like that classification, how many other types of classification you know, and what are the how many types of forests you know?
According to champion set, it is classified into 5 types. And there is another type of classification, that is Whitaker classification. And there is also classification, but I can't recollect right now.
Okay. So, Odisha re maximum ko gacha apna kochindi?
Sir, moist deciduous. So gacha sir sal. Sal, gambhari, Arjuna, Ashoka, tamarind.
Okay. What do you mean by medicinal plants, and tell me some important medicinal plants which are found in Odisha?
So medicinal plants means the plants which provide some medicinal value and some curative values, and this includes Arakha and periwinkle, Horida, Bahada, and also Tulasi,
Okay.
etc. Sir.
Okay. So, tell me, so you are from which district?
Sir, I am from Kandhamal district.
Kandhamal district. So you tell me something about in your district, what is the major, okay, what are the major trees, top 3 trees which are found in your district?
Some major trees includes Sal, Madhuka indica, and Arjuna, Ashoka.
Okay. So Sal tree, can you tell me Sal and Ashoka, the silvicultural practices for Sal and Ashoka? Or silvicultural practice for any important tree which is there in your syllabus, you can tell me.
Yes, sir. Mostly in case of Sal, this is a natural forest. It is found in natural forest. It cannot be grown artificially, and so in case of Sal, it is mostly grown by a copy system or by only by sir copy system. In case of seed, it is very low success rate.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Fine. So, you know about the Forest Rights Act?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, tell me something about the Forest Rights Act.
Forest Rights Act, sir, it is the right given to the tribal people. Due to this act, they can collect firewood and minerals, water, and other NTP products from forest. And as well as this act provides them to create Bana Sarakshana Samiti and like VSS and other programs. This act also provides the tribal people to reside inside the forest as well as in wildlife sanctuary also.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the problems associated with this? There have been a lot of issues with this. What are the problems? Problems with Forest Right Act means there has been many many critics have criticized it.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Please explain, sir.
Means you go through the notes which have been given today.
Yes, sir.
Details का आपको दिया है.
Sir.
को कारण पाई तारा माने positive points कौन negative points कौन जितना जगह हमारे रहने दरकार Forest Right Act. अच्छा Forest Right Act is actually not the name of the statute. What is the name of the statute? Can you tell me? What is the name of the statute? ये जो law टा हमने वो जो Forest Right Act किंतु सेटा actually तारा नाटा Forest Right Act नो तारा law लगा ना actual law रो नाटा और कौन सेटा?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. You know what is CAMPA?
Yes, sir.
What is that? What is the full form of CAMPA? नेचर से बुकटा फॉरेस्ट लेजिस्लेशन
सर आज नहीं
हां सर ठीक है तब
सर
देखिए
देखिए टाइम आज हेलानी सर
ठीक है मैं
सर
पूरी नेक्स्ट क्लास आपको पूछा दे ठीक है ओके सो you know in the forests there are lot of important indigenous tribes who live inside the forest. They are completely dependent on the forest. Okay. So, can you tell me what are the steps the government has taken for the benefit or betterment of them?
Sir, government has taken many steps like educational programs like Ecolabia School, JNV school programs, and they are providing education to tribal students.
I am particularly interested in the tribals of those who stay in forest. Forest is you know, say tribals का पता नहीं कुछ.
Sir, government has also many program through the NAFED to collect the NTP products which are collected by the tribal people. And also government also provided many rights like Forest Right Act. Yes, sir. Sir, please explain. I have no knowledge about.
नहीं मैंने ताको कौन rights वाला दिया है ठीक है से मैंने कौन प्रोड्यूस कलेक्ट करी परिवे से मैंने रही परिवे फॉरेस्ट एरिया
सर एनटीपी
गोटे कॉमन लोक करी परिवे ठीक है ता सहित सेतरे देई चेप मटेरियल तो देखिबे कि लाभटा कोन हिची सेटा करियो किछड़ा एग्जांपल भी देछि से लाभ क्षतिटा कोन हिची सेटा करियो किछड़ा क्षति रो भी एग्जांपल देछि ओके
सर
सो ऑपोजिशन टू सेटा हेडिंग ता दियाछि ऑपोजिशन टू your Forest Right Act 2006 सेटा भी पढ़ियो काई कि केते जण conservationist ଆଉ environmentalist ସେମାନେ ତାକୁ ଅପୋଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
सर
ओके Next is VAM. What is VAM? Can you tell me? Microorganisms.
Yes, sir.
Soil upare VAM ro kon rohuchi effect. First you tell me what is the meaning of VAM?
Sorry, sir, I can recollect, sir. Only I know the vermiculite something, sir. Sir, I completely don't know about this.
Okay. तो देखिए कौन सा इटा basically
Sir.
कौन टा ये रहेगा तो that is something which you need to understand also. Okay. तापर next tell me something about your forest working plan. What is the meaning of a forest working plan? What are the components of a forest working plan? What is the importance of forest working plan?
Sir, it is a 5-year plan. It is prepared by the working plan committee, and first they completely survey the forest area and how to manage the forest and how to conserve the forest, and which type of flora and fauna is present at a particular area. Everything is mentioned in the working plan, and how to manage all these, and how to conserve the forest on that particular area. Everything is mentioned in the working plan. It is one type of report, sir.
Okay. What is the meaning of remote sensing and how that is used?
So remote sensing is a technique which is used to survey of forest area or fire area without touching the ground from the sky. This technique used to identify the territory and percentage of forest cover, and as well as it also used to identify the reserve forest area and protected area also.
Okay. Right. So, how will you calculate the yield from a tree? What are the formula that you know?
Sir, Quatergath formula is a main formula which is used to calculate the volume of the tree.
Okay. And others?
Others are von Montel formula also, and
tell me something about the formula. What is that formula?
Sir, Quatergath formula G by R square. G square by R. G is the girth, and girth of the tree. G square by R into pi. The Quatergath formula.
Okay. Fine. So, tell me something about the forest maps. There are different types of forest maps that you know used in forest survey, and what are the uses of those maps?
Sir, forest map mainly used to identify the forest area, and in forest map there is a different type of indications which only signifies the forest area, and sorry sir.
Okay. এটা দেখি দেবে এটা তো বেসিক জিনিস ওরা আপনারা
Sir.
सिलेबस टा पकेबे सिलेबस रे जो वर्ड्स हरिका अछि
सर
सब गुडा देखिए तार दी लाइन अपन कहि परथे
सर
ठीक अछि so can you tell me what are the types of timber bridges which are found in forests timber bridges
sorry sir, I can't recall it. Sir, I have not gone through all the topics.
अच्छा नहीं
Sir.
देखी दियो
Sir.
पूराटा देखी दियो यू नेवर नो से कोडू पचारे
Sir,
ठीक है ओके let us come to some forestry related current affair topics you know what are the reasons for forest fire
sir, main reason is the lightning, and sometimes people are intentionally burning the forest area. And
intentionally कोडिले कौन लागो
sir, the mainly tribal people used to collect the seeds and as well as the flower of mahua. Because of that, they are burning the forest area. And sometimes, in order to practice the podu cultivation, they are also firing the forest area.
okay what is the need for a proper forest policy and tell me something about the last forest policy national forest policy you remember which year last forest policy was made
It's a 1988.
yes correct इतने वर्ष होला काई चेंज हुई 88 रे होला can you tell me why it has not been updated till now and is a draft being prepared now
Yes, sir.
draft policy टा को वर्ष हैला
2018 sir.
कौन से जो चेंजेस कौन से ड्राफ्ट प्रपोज करूची फ्रॉम 88
Sorry, sir.
सेड़ा
Sir.
डिटेल्स से देखिए
Sir.
ओके सो tell me what are the major commercial okay trees which are grown in Odisha
Sir, mainly Tectona grandis and teak, sir. And
आपण जेतले कहिबे
sir,
सेठी कोन बोर्ड रे फॉरेस्ट्री बैकग्राउंड रो एक्सपर्ट थिबे
sir,
किंतु समस्त फॉरेस्ट्री बैकग्राउंड नथिबे
sir,
सेठी साइकोलॉजिस्ट भी थाई पारन सेठी आपण को चेयरमैन जी अछन तो चेयरमैन लोग या उठा रहले
sir,
सीए जनरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर की सीनियर ऑफिसर रे एक्सपर्ट थिबे तेनु प्रथमे कहिबे
common names.
कॉमन नेम ओके दैट इज तापर साइंटिफिक
Sir, जदि पचारिया बोली कहबी ना
ना ना नॉर्मली
नॉर्मल भी सर कहबी.
आपण साइंटिफिक नेम कहि कि पड़ेले साइकोलॉजिस्ट आउ जे जनरल नॉन फॉरेस्ट्री वाला से बुझी परिबे
आगे sir.
ठीक अछि किंतु जदि आपण ता सहित कहले ता से जानि कोन ताको नॉलेज भी भलो अछि
Sir,
बुझी परिबे
sir,
सो सेटा टिके मन रखे तार कॉमन नेम ता निश्चित
Sir.
पड़े नॉर्मल नेम
sir.
ओके सो कमर्शियल ट्रीज आई वाज आस्किंग इन
Teak, Tectona grandis, and acacia, Acacia auricoliformis, and rain tree, and then
रेन ट्री
sir, also sir, rain tree means chakunda, sir.
ओके
Yes,
व्हाट
ma'am.
इट इज कॉल्ड रेन ट्री इट ब्रिंग्स रेन और व्हाट
No, sir. When the rain falls, the leaves automatically closes,
ओके
and after the rain is completed, it automatically opens.
Can you tell me why it happens? Why some mechanism would be there?
No, no, sir. I don't know, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. So you know what is ethnobotany?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
It is the relation of medicinal plant with the human beings, where the traditional medicinals which used by the tribal people or ancient people that all is written in the ethnobotany. It's basically deals with the medicinal plant.
Okay, fine. Okay, so forest legislation पढ़िଛନ୍ତି?
Nice.
अच्छा, तो जो पार्ट गुड़ा आपण पढ़नांती मु सेटा नेक्स्ट ईयर पचारिबे तो भलो रे प्रिपेयर करिकि तापर आसे
Sir.
ओके राइट व्हाट आर द मेजर नॉन टिम्बर फॉरेस्ट प्रोड्यूस ऑफ ओडिशा
Sir, major
वैल्यू हिसाब रे नंबर 1 की नॉन टिम्बर फॉरेस्ट प्रोड्यूस रे
sir.
वैल्यू हिसाब रे सब अधिक रेवेन्यू सेटा स्टेट को दोछि कोटा को नॉन टिम्बर फॉरेस्ट प्रोड्यूस
Sir, I think kendu leaf.
केंदू लीफ ओके केंदू लीफ रो कोन व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट यूजेस ऑफ केंदू
Sir, it mainly used for the BD preparation.
ओके आओ
No, sir.
गुटी
No.
यूज कर
Yes, sir.
मेडिसिनल यूज किसी नहीं कर केंदू रो
Sir, kendu fruits are used for the diabetic, anti-diabetic as a
सो
yes.
केंदू लीव्स गोटे गला तापर आओ दिटा कोंतु
Sir, salo leaves and siali leaves. Yes, as well as mohua flower and sal flowers, sal fruits, and these are
Okay. So, my last question for you would be, what is the main reason, okay, for the man and nature conflict or man and animal conflict which we are finding in the forests? The conflict of how chicken, and what can be the solution to this man-animal conflict? Because man obviously will develop, he will need more area.
Yes, sir.
He will slowly also use the forest area. At the same time, the animals also need their space. So, ये जो दी जन को requirement अच्छी, ताको balance भी करो जो. Tell me something about it.
sir.
You understood what the
Yes, sir.
question
Yes,
is?
sir. Yes, sir. हाँ सर एथिपाई साधारणतः आमको नेशनल पार्क वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी ये सब एस्टाब्लिश करी पशुपक्षी मानक से पर्याप्त परिमाण में जगह देवा दरकार आउ मनीषर जो सर रिक्वायरमेंट रोचे जमी प्रति ताकू अधिक माने जंगल को न काटी ताकू सीमित रखा दरकार आउ माइनिंग एरिया जो भी बहुत गुड़े जंगल नष्ट हो जाऊँगी से बहुत गुड़े पशुजंतु निजर बासस्थान को हरैकी सहर अंचल को पलि आसुँच सब से मुख्य कारण मनीष आ पशु मान कन्फ्लिक्टर सर मैनेजमेंट पाई आमको सेंचुरी वाइल्ड लाइफ ये सब करा पड़ो आ कि लॉ आनिया पड़ो जहाँद्वारा कि मनीष अधिक रु अधिक जमी जगह को जंगल जमी को जंगल जगह को अधिग्रहण करें ये एगेनेस्ट किसी स्ट्रिक्ट लॉ आना जा पार सर
Okay, so that will be the end of the interview. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर